Hey everybody, it's Aaron from GoGrava.com. I'm up here in Reading, Pennsylvania. And something interesting in Reading is this pagoda. It's early in the morning, it's like 6 a.m. And I wanted to get up here today while it's quiet. Came up with the kids last night, it's pretty busy. But yep, Reading, Pennsylvania, they have a Chinese pagoda. It's super interesting. Got a nice quiet morning out here. It's really nice. So how's everybody doing? Tired? I'm a bit tired. Tired of the news cycle. Tired of getting pulled in different directions. You know, I don't even watch the news. I don't watch the news anymore. You know, bills are piling up. You know, it feels like there's some agenda out there where people are just trying to divide us, I guess. And I'm just kind of opting out of some of this, really. And how are you doing? Good? Not good? You know, man, woman, husband, wife, parents. I got 3 girls, really it's good not to have the TV on. I mean, it really does feel like you're being manipulated in every sense of the word. You know, my kids today, or not today, but for the past couple of years, are just joking about these pharmacy commercials on TV. It's just constant. Pharmacy, corporations, you know, corporations out there always pushing their agendas. That's right or left. And it gets exhausting, right? We have, you know, I was on the radio, I was listening to the radio. There was some commercial about how I needed to buy, they were selling emergency food kits, you know, because we're going to run out of food. Like there's all this fear. I mean, so much fear out there. Pushing fear. I'm just kind of opting out of it. Just getting outside. That's what I've been doing. I get outside, I get up in the morning, take a look at the view. So I went around looking for a bicycle. And I have a bunch of bicycles, don't get me wrong, but I didn't want to use any. I didn't want to start, how do you do an adventure with the bicycle with some expensive bike? So I bought the Moto Bicane, and I'll try to put it up here in this video. I'll use a video editor here. And I got the Moto Bicane because it's only $599. Aluminum bicycle. You know, yeah, it's got cheap parts. It's a cheap bike. It's probably heavy, but it's $599. And it has a lot of utility. We can put a back rack on it. We can put a front rack on it. And at Grava, I'm trying to manufacture in Americas, and it's not easy. But we are starting with bicycle bags, and we are starting with some clothing. It's a dream of mine to make bicycles. All of our bicycles are made in China or Taiwan. And, you know, I really want to make have a bicycle company, work with some people to start selling bicycles that are made in America. That's my dream. That's what I do. That's why I'm doing this, is I'm following my passion. Not only to make a bicycle company or an adventure, you know, I make this adventure company, but to actually help people, you know, get people out of the cars, get people to unplug from these devices that are, I swear to God, I feel like they're spying on us. I saw a video where the phone's taking pictures of us constantly, but to get people outside, disconnect, unplug a bit with their kids, with their family. And I'm going to try to do that with this Moto Bicane bicycle. Show you what we're offering and provide, you know, kind of a guide on how to do it, how to disconnect, unplug a bit, and enjoy our lives a little bit better. And yeah, so that's what I had today. Reading, Pennsylvania, at the pagoda. Interesting place. No idea who built the pagoda, Chinese pagoda in Reading. But it is lit up at night. It sits up here. It's a great view of the city. So if you're interested, come join us at gograva.com and follow along this business journey. And I'm in debt up to my eyeballs for this idea, but I think it's a risk worth taking. You know, if we could improve people's lives, you know, just a little bit during these times, you know, because we're moving from one one problem after the other. Like, it's just nonstop and it's exhausting, right? You know, lockdowns to political turmoil to, you know, it just keeps war. It just keeps going and going. Every year is a new thing. So, you know, we have to disconnect. We have to unplug from this stuff and just, I believe getting out in nature is a way to really help people, help your kids, help your family, help yourself in a positive way. So, man, my arm's getting tired. I forgot my selfie stick. but yeah, come join in the adventure. You know, I've been outside for a very long time, and it's helped me quite a bit. Riding the bicycle, saving money, riding bikes, commuting a bit, going to the grocery store. And I lived all over the world. I have a lot of world experiences. I've seen a lot of things outside the United States, and I've seen a lot of things that we don't do well in the United States. And I'm going to try to bring all of that experience to all of you. So I don't want to take you too much of your time today, but Reading, Pennsylvania, at the pagoda. All right, Father's Day is coming up, and I hope everybody enjoys their Father's Day. Take care, everybody. Bye.